I'm vibing in the hammock, but it looks like Coopy's about to start getting the new bamboo ready for the fence. So I think I will go give him a hand. Not so straight, all of them, but it'll work. Rough with the machete, man. Nice new green ones.
Yes, sir.
Huh, what's inside here? Oh, nothing. Maybe I'll just start swinging it like crazy, see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's test it. Let's test how strong the rope is. Maybe one broke up. You think that? Oh yeah. You're crazy.
Yeah.
Measure it up perfectly. Green.
Yeah, man. And green. Green stuff I go on in a pot there.
Yeah.
Big one go cook.
Skillful technique.
Oh, a cook.
tight, and then the hammer.
No, I don't the oil behind.
Yeah. Just crack it down. It's harder than it looks.
Stop. Crack it down back.
Take it back?
Wait.
Oh, you want to keep it kind of towards this side, yeah?
So you can break it easily.
Right in the middle. try one more?
One more.
Let's try that one, man. God, and let's go.
This one's tough?
Try the one I read before.
This one? This one. So right in the middle. Graceful swan! Alright, Ratty, your turn.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll keep going. I don't mind working if you want to take a break.
Go on.
I want to get better. I'm a little awkward still. Doesn't seem too hard.
There we go.
Is that right in the middle?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I want to try to get a better one.
Yeah.
It's good?
This one is the different.
What do you do when it gets at the bottom to keep it from falling on you? Just lean it? That was better. Alright, every time's getting a little better. Oh, this one's thick. This one's heavy, right? So this one's gonna take some technique.
Wait. I've been over for it, okay? Then, so I've been over for it to get the bend to get it.
Oh, make sure it's centered. You can't just lick it one time like the other one.
Alright, then.
It's hard, man. Wow.
Yeah, there's me came with that.
Just gentle ones. Just keep it straight, right?
Yeah.
A little more in. Man, Canadian lumberjack skills not quite there. I can see why Rastas are all so strong. Because I'm already tired after doing
No,
3.
man.
Like a gentle one.
Yeah, the liquor. Yeah, the liquor.
It's heat bend, right? So you have it.
Yeah, the liquor.
Heat bend, you know?
Oh, okay.
So you have to go down to the keep going down.
So you want the bend to go like this way?
The water I go see.
Okay.
Ratty have it back on you.
Well, give man this something Ratty. Where you hold up the man back? That evening, you know.
Goody.
You know, man, those dishes right now.
Watch out, guys.
Watch out, that bamboo dish.
Ah, bomba. So close. There. Where do you want them?
I go love it. This one.
Man,
looks sharp. So good.
Yes, sir.
So quick. Nice. Good idea to wait till it cooled off.
Yes, sir.
Full of walk on.
Mm-hmm. Almost done.
I think that
Move on through there, mama.
I don't bush.
Hammer that bush.
Top first. Top first.
These burn all the old ones?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What you have me put in it?
Don't throw him from one foot.
Turn it, man.
You see over down the yard? Yeah, so you can see. This you can see.